Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiana here, and if you are new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're coming back, thank you for trusting me to bring you quality content. So today is a look on Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is coming up, and I know sometimes you get a little flustered because you don't know what type of look to do, but Kiana is here to save you. So I wanted to go ahead and do the Valentine's Day colors, red and pink, red lip. You can't go wrong. And this video is going to be a voiceover. It's not going to be a talk through, only because talk throughs I just be talking and talking and talking, and it just takes me forever to do my makeup. So I just wanted to do a video that gets straight to the point. Go ahead and comment your thoughts, or if you wanted to let me know what kind of look you're doing, go ahead and tell me in the comments. And here is so today I'm gonna start off with the NYX white eyeshadow base, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all over my eyelid. And I am using a flat brush. I don't remember the name of the brush, but it is a flat brush. And I am using a beauty blender to go ahead and pat the base out. I'm going to go to the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, go into this yellow with a fluffy brush, and I'm kind of just patting it in. I'm not really blending the eyeshadow out. Now I'm going to go ahead and head back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and go into a pink. And I am patting the pink into my lid. Again, I am not blending the eyeshadow out. Now I'm going to dip back into my yellow, and I'm going to blend the yellow into the pink. I am going to use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette for my entire eyelid, if it wasn't already obvious. So then now I'm going to head back into the palette, into this red, and I'm going to put the red into the corner of my eye. I'm slightly blending it in, just not blending it in all the way. Now I'm going to head back into the white eyeshadow base, and I'm going to put it on my eyes. And I did the little look up messy because I do have hooded eyes. And I am patting the base in with a brush that has absolutely no product on it. And then I'm gonna head into the Back to Brazil palette in a second and go into a light pink, and I'm going to take a flat brush and just kind of like work it on in there, pat it all the way. And I did go ahead and dip back into the red eyeshadow, and I'm just blending the edges around the white and the light pink so that I cannot have any harsh lines. And now I went ahead and got the NYX liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna make a not too much of a wing, but I am gonna make a small wing. My face is already primed. I'm gonna go ahead and head into the NARS foundation. I am using a Real Techniques brush to go ahead and brush the foundation out. Now I'm going to go ahead and conceal, and I am using the NARS concealer. I try to keep the foundation and concealer the same brand. I don't know why, this is just what I do. And I am contouring with a matchstick from Fenty. This is in the shade Truffle. And I am using a Real Techniques contour brush, if I'm not mistaken, to blend my contour out. And I did notice at this point that the concealer was not as bright as I wanted it, so I went ahead and I got my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that Shape Tape into the NARS to go ahead and get the brightness in which I like. And I am gonna set with the Sasha Buttercup. I don't know why it didn't show it, but I am bronzing with my NYX bronzer. These lashes that I have on are Sephora lashes. I wore them in a previous video. I don't really remember the name on them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blush with my Morphe. I don't remember that particular shade, but I am blushing with Morphe, and I don't know the name of this brush. I've been having it for a while, so the name kind of washed off, but I do use this as a blush brush. And this lipstick that I am using is from Morphe, and I did line my lips with a NYX lip liner, but I can't tell you the name because it faded away. And I am using a NYX white eyeliner to go ahead and put a little white under my eyes, because I'm going to head into the BH Cosmetics, into the red, and just put it under my eyes, right under the waterline. This is a Maybelline mascara. I'm just lining my bottom lashes and going a little bit at the top as well. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the Wet n Wild highlighter. I forgot the name, and just put it in the creases of my eyes, and this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching.